Okay, friends, we are going to play a new game that's sort of tricky. So I want you to listen to the directions. I'm going to change the beginning sound of a word, and I'm going to give it a new beginning sound and make it a new word. And you have to try and guess what the new word is. So let's practice one together. So my word is house. Say house. But what if I take away the sound in house and I put the sound? So now it's not house, it's what's my new word? The word mouse. If I have the word house and I take away the sound and I put the sound, then my new word is mouse. Nice. Let's see if you can do one on your own. My word is hat. Say hat. But what if I take away the sound in hat and I put the k sound? Now my new word, it's not hat, it's k. Cat. Nice. When I take away the in hat and I put a k sound, it becomes the word cat. Ooh, that's tricky. Let's try another one. My word is doll. Say doll. What if I take away the d sound in doll and I put the b sound instead? So now my word is not doll, it's ball. Ooh, that's a tricky one. Let's do another. My word is bear. If I take away the b sound in bear and I put the p sound instead, now my word is not bear, it's pear. That's silly. Let's do another one. Ooh. My word is rake. Rake. If I take away the sound in rake and I put the k sound, now my new word is not rake, it's cake. Delicious. That was really tricky. I wonder if you can try practicing that game at home with your own letters. Nice job, friends.